The Kaplan Business Challenge is a strategic training workshop that simulates a real-world business. Participants must work together as the senior management team assigned to turn a failing former multi-million-dollar company back into a success story.
I think that someone that has completed the Kaplan Business Challenge will have a better understanding of the roles that are crucial to an organization. Also understanding that the creativity and thinking outside of the box is also important because you have to be able to outdo your competitors.
It was a great opportunity for teamwork. I thought it was a really good idea because bringing everyone together, we were collaborating, kind of doing the same thing, but then we were broken up into smaller teams of 4. And so within your 4, when you broke away for strategic planning, you really got down to business and had to work as a team.
I definitely would recommend the Kaplan Business Challenge to others. It was just an overall great experience. It will help me personally and professionally in my future, and it just enhanced my skills in so many different areas.
I would definitely recommend the Kaplan Business Challenge to others.
Yes, I'd recommend it 10 times out of 10 times. It was a great opportunity.
The Kaplan Business Challenge was a great experience, and it would benefit every single employee of a business.